Yeah, when I started in UWI, you know, the instructors were just awesome, and really taught you how to be not just a welder, but a respected welder, as far as being dedicated to the job, having that determination to be the best that you could be. And as far as the welding side goes, they've acquired me being one of the top welders out of the UWI class. We're all living the same dream, trying to make the most money that we can make. And so I really feel like UWI has been the best for me. And so when I graduated high school, I started welding, and it's been a journey since. It's like a lot of people say, life don't ever go the way that you plan it to go. And got married and had kids, and I just thank God for them and for the trade, because without him I wouldn't be where I was at today. Him and family being supportive of my dreams. Yeah, one of the biggest deals is going to UWI. I had never welded in my life, never really picked up a stinger, and until I went to UWI. And once I got there, they helped me achieve stick welding and MIG welding and all these other parts in it. They got all this extra stuff there at the school that I went back and started learning TIG welding and all the other sorts of trades. And you know, it's helped me throughout my journey in the field, as far as traveling and getting to go to new jobs, learning different trades as far as oil field and pipeline and industrial refrigeration, and just stuff like that, shutdowns and refineries, just different aspects of it. And it really helped me get on the right track as far as going there and being where I'm at now, because you know, I've made good money and I've made less money, but I've got the things that I've always dreamed of having because of UWI.